If you're seeing OneDrive error 0X8004De40 on Windows 11, don't worry, this is usually a connection or sync issue, and in this video I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix. We'll go through the quickest solutions first, including checking your internet, restarting OneDrive, resetting it, and if needed, reinstalling the app. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Windows fixes and easy how-to videos. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. OneDrive needs a stable connection to sign in and sync properly, so make sure your Wi-Fi is working and that your browser or other apps can load websites normally. If you use a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily because that can sometimes trigger connection errors like 0X8004De40. If your internet is fine, the next step is to restart OneDrive. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. In the list of running apps, find Microsoft OneDrive. Click it once, then right-click and choose End Task. This fully closes OneDrive and clears out any temporary stuck process that might be causing the error. After that, open OneDrive again. Press the Windows key, type OneDrive, and then open Microsoft OneDrive from the Start menu. Sometimes simply relaunching the app is enough to reconnect it and remove the error message. If the issue still appears, the next step is to reset OneDrive. This is one of the most effective fixes for sync and connection problems. Press Windows and R together to open the run box. In the field, paste this command exactly: C:/program files /Microsoft OneDrive /OneDrive.exe/reset. Then press enter. After you run the reset, give it about 1 to 2 minutes. OneDrive may disappear and then relaunch on its own. If it does not reopen automatically, just open it again from the Start menu. This reset clears a lot of temporary configuration issues without deleting your files. Once OneDrive opens, sign in again if prompted. Enter your Microsoft account email and password and let OneDrive reconnect your account. Make sure you use the same account that was previously linked to OneDrive. After signing in, wait a moment and check whether syncing starts normally again. If you still have the error after that, there is one more option you can try: reinstall OneDrive. Open the official OneDrive download page, download the installer, and run it to repair or reinstall the application. This can help if the OneDrive installation itself is damaged or outdated. In most cases, one of these steps will fix error 0X8004De40 on Windows 11, especially the reset step. If your connection was the problem, turning off VPN or proxy settings can make an immediate difference. If OneDrive was stuck, ending the task and reopening it often clears the issue fast. If this video helped you fix OneDrive, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Windows troubleshooting tutorials. And if you want, leave a comment with the exact error you saw and I'll help you with the next fix. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.